Hi, Lola.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Great.
Talk to the camera. Tell them about your Pikachus.
Huh?
Tell them about your Pikachus.
Pika!
You love Pikachus?
Mm-hmm.
What are they?
This Pikachu. Pikachu. When this mama Pikachu is showing her little Pikachu how to be her big Pikachu.
Two Pikachus.
Mm-hmm.
A baby and a mama?
Mm-hmm. Pika.
You look tired. Why did you get up at 6:30 a.m.? Alright, bye, Lola.
Pika.
Bye, Lola.
Huh?
Bye.
What did you say? My tummy's grumble. I'm starving. My belly's hungry.
Alright.